glitch. So we're discussing about advantages of divisional structure. Flexibility and initiative. It promotes flexibility and initiative because each division will function as an autonomous or independent unit. So more flexibility will be allowed to the employees because they will have to function with different units. They will have to perform different functions under the same division. So it will allow more flexibility to the employees there. Next is expansion and growth. In divisional structure, new divisions can be easily added without interrupting the existing operations. Thus, it facilitates expansion and growth of the business. Let us see what is the disadvantage or limitations. Number one, expensive. It may lead to increase in cost because duplication of resources in various departments. Because for each division we will have different departments. Again, the same departments will be created in each division separately. So it will be very expensive. Next, it is conflicting in nature. There may be conflicts among different divisions with reference to the allocation of funds. A particular division may try to maximize its profits at the cost of other divisions. For example, all the resources will be at Chase. All the departments, all the divisions will be requiring all the resources of the organization. They will try to increase their profit by acquiring more resources, leaving no resources for the other divisions. Next is organizational interest ignored. Again, in case of divisional structure, the divisional in charge will always try to increase the profit of his department rather than focusing on the achievement of organizational goal. Next, we'll see the differences between functional structure and divisional structure. Formation. Functional structure is based on the functions. Divisional structure is based on product line. Specialization. Functional structure brings functional specialization and divisional structure brings product specialization. Cost. Functional structure is a bit economical, but divisional structure is very much expensive. Next, coordinations. It is difficult to coordinate in functional structure. Coordination is quite easy in divisional structure. Fixation of responsibility. In case of functional department, functional structure, it is quite difficult to fix the responsibility. In divisional structure, it is easy to fix the responsibility. Managerial development. In case of functional structure, the manager becomes specialized only in one function, so it is quite difficult for the development of the managerial ability in case of functional structure. But in case of divisional structure, there is more scope for the development of managers. In this way, we have also completed the functional and divisional structure. The next topic is formal and informal organization. That is deleted from the syllabus for the year 2020-21. However, we'll just have a look on that in the next video. Till then, if you have any queries regarding this, please inform me through WhatsApp or call. Till then, thank you very much and bye.